Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set footwalk options on the Translink NI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon that can be found in the upper left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Journey Preferences section that you can find in the middle of the screen. Then scroll down to the Footwalk Options subcategory, which is the second one. Here you can set the walk speed, slow, normal or fast. So tap on the relevant one and click on the Done button on the right side. Then you can set the maximum walk time ranging from 5 to 60 minutes. And you can also enable the alternative stops option, which includes nearby alternative stops. So you can tap on this button on the right side in order to enable this feature. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.